Stop shaky shots forever. This tiny gimbal works like a Hollywood rig, without the $10,000 price tag. Say goodbye to wobbly footage and hello to buttery-smooth brilliance. The DJI RS4 Mini Combo is the pocket-sized powerhouse content creators didn't know they were dreaming of. Weighing just over 1 kilogram but packing a wild 2 kilograms payload punch, this gimbal stabilizer handles everything from DSLR rigs to smartphones with zero sweat. It's got auto-axis locks, intelligent subject tracking, and a briefcase handle for those low-angle, dramatic money shots. One tap and it's ready to roll, literally. If you've ever struggled with clunky setups or camera shake, this is your aha moment in gadget form. DJI didn't just shrink a gimbal, they gave it superpowers. This little legend boasts Teflon-enhanced balancing, so you can dial in smoothness with a flick. Fast-paced shoot? The responsive follow mode tracks your hand like it's reading your mind. Need to go from widescreen to TikTok-friendly vertical? It flips faster than your ex's mood, just 10 seconds, and you're live. Combine that with DJI's 4th gen stabilization, and you've got the stability of a Steadicam rig, minus the gym membership. Other gimbals wobble, lag, or overcorrect. This one? It glides, tracks, and delivers cinematic fluidity every time. What makes it worth the spend? Efficiency, baby. Auto-locking axis arms means it powers on and self-unlocks, saving you precious setup time and sanity on shoots. It's basically the smart assistant your camera always wanted. The included tracking module keeps your subject framed even when you're solo shooting, so say goodbye to awkward framing or wasted takes. Whether you're capturing weddings, TikToks, indie films, or just flexing your travel vlogs, this rig saves you time, keeps your footage flawless, and makes you look like a pro even if you're faking it till you make it. Built for creators, tested by tech nerds, loved by budget-savvy pros. The RS4 Mini Combo comes loaded with all the high-end features of DJI's top-tier rigs, without the Hollywood price tag. You get a rugged build, a smooth foldable frame for easy transport, and broad compatibility across all major camera brands. Whether you're rocking a Canon, Sony, Panasonic, Nikon, or Fujifilm, it's plug-and-play heaven. For vloggers, wedding shooters, or content creators hustling on the go, this gimbal offers unmatched value in its size and class. Light on your arms, heavy on features, that's a winning combo. Effective? Try addictive. Once you shoot with the RS4 Mini, there's no going back to bare-hand wobble or janky third-party stabilizers. The briefcase handle adds comfort for tricky angles, while the joystick lets you zoom like a sci-fi weapon. It's tech-tested, TikTok-approved, and battle-ready for real-world shooting. If you've ever said, "I wish my camera could follow me like a film crew," now it can. This gimbal is more than gear, it's your secret weapon for jaw-dropping, scroll-stopping, cinematic quality content. The only thing shaky now is your competition.